In this video, we'll show you how to use the Boya Notra Neo. Notra Neo is compact and easy to operate. The microphone array on the top provides 360 sound pickup, USB-C charging with no special cable required. Fully charge the device before first use. Before use, bind Notra Neo to your account. Open the Boya OS app. Tap the device icon and add device to select Boya Notra Neo. Once the device appears, tap it to connect. Notra Neo supports 3 recording modes: Ambient, phone call and Bluetooth recording. It automatically switches modes based on the recording scenario. Ambient recording. Press and hold the recording button for 2 seconds to start recording. Press once to mark a highlight. Press and hold again for 2 seconds to stop. Phone call recording. Attach Boya Notra Neo to the back of your phone. Press and hold the recording button for 2 seconds. Recording starts after 1 vibration. Your phone call will be recorded automatically. Bluetooth recording. Connect Boya Notra Neo to your phone or computer via USB-C cable. Tap Connect to pair your earphones. Also, put the earphones into pairing mode. Wait for it to connect. Once connected, hold the recording button for 2 seconds. 1 vibration starts Bluetooth recording.